Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing.
Of course. On in Sydney. On in London.
Okay. Hey guys. So it is my birthday today. And I'm out with Shy.
Hey guys. It's me again. From London.
And I'm out with Pencil. Oh, yes, Pencil, get pointed there. Mommy's got a picture. Not pictures, the video. Look how nice mother look, guys. Yes. So, yeah, we are at SDK in, where are we, Shy?
The Strand.
We're in the Strand. Me and my fam. And then afterwards, we are going to Soul Sundays, where we'll meet up with Bay and do that whole day. This place is gorgeous, you guys. It's so beautiful. Super nice ambiance, great music, and today's in the birthday. Yeah, I'm rocking a little D squared number.
Oh, let me show you.
Let me pull that down. So yeah,
Oh, show us the bag.
on the bag, you know,
Where's that from?
Christian Louboutin.
No way.
Yeah, would you guys like to see the shoe? Let's try to get this up here.
Oh, what's going on there? That little number.
You know, I mean, you only turn 41, guys. You gotta go hard or go home. Look at Pencil. Pencil, I vlog box says Pencil. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Yes, goodie.
It's Sex in the City.
Oh, Sex in the City.
I'm trying to ignore.
What does she know about Sex in the City, you guys? Ooh, that was good, Shy. Pencil followed me, you guys. She got the same thing that I got. And then we got tater tots and mac and cheese. And my drink right here. Pencil cleaned her plate, you guys. Pencil had the sea bass. How was it, Mommy? Mommy never liked food when she go to restaurants, you know. She only likes her food. But I got the sea bass with I don't know what the stuff is, but I had that. We had mac and cheese. We had tater tots. Shy had short ribs with.
It was like barbecue, and then it had like onions, and then some type of sauce.
It's good though, right?
That sauce was really nice. I didn't know what it was there.
Yeah. Yeah, but here we are, guys.
It's really fatty.
And you like really fatty things, don't you? Huh?
No, I don't eat them. I don't like the fatty bits.
You don't?
I feel like all under here, that's all fat. So it kind of wasted a bit of my meat.
Okay. Mom, don't say that.
I'm driving you home.
We're sending her in an Uber, aren't we, Shy? How did you like your Uber drive, Mommy? You liked it? It's comfortable, right? No?
I always make conversation, just in case they try and kidnap me.
My Uber drivers always talk to me way too much, and I'm never in the mood to talk. Never. Like, please don't talk to me. Like, I just get me where I need to go. Right?
No, I'm like, so how many years have you done Ubering for? Just because I have to report them. Crazy.
You're the birthday girl. 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 You're the birthday girl.
No, she doesn't. She look like you.
Shut your mouth.
You have your nan's
Why?
body shape. That's not a lie. It's a fact. Your shit. Oh my God, is it raining?
No.
Birthday. Cutting up.
Turn left onto Addington Street, then turn left onto Lambeth Palace Road.
Birthday, bitch. If I get up, it's a good birthday.
Into
The birthday.
Baby, don't try. Just lower your tone. Cause you can get hit on like that. Look, my feeling niggas on my villain niggas on my killing niggas as a kid. Since a younger nigga, I've been drilling niggas, but I'm so stuck in the phone.
What make you think we go side? We not a big some car. We have people, I'm a friend. Yeah, more fire shot and fling bomb. Yeah, bad man, the gal in love. And them kill up the dog on junk crew. One cup of stripe and another beer, them a pull. Your man and them and tell you how violence go. Pull up on your foot to trade that jump phone. In a sticky situation, bubble gum dog go up on your body like carpet a glue. We have couple, I'm a friend. A top scam, a grab yard.
I will not leave you in time of trouble. We never could have come this far. No love. I took the good times. I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. Bus driver, link up team, big up in the junior bus driver, this is the Lord. Play about the soul again, man.
Yes,
Big up you like Glamour Way, that England send us on your road, yeah. You don't know the 7th of the month called December? Bus driver,
Yes,
link up. Big up the Kingston over there. Big up the country people over there. Big up our Jamaicans over there. Sweat sound, that's what you want. Order. Yeah, yeah, me. Don't need no money.
Yes. Work. Yeah. I work, Sherrick, got a chicken shot jerk. Mommy, say bye to me.
Bye, girl.
Bye to me. Bye, mommy.
So we favor.
Yeah.
So we favor twin. What's your radar?
Hey, you guys. So I am on my way back to New York. This concludes my London birthday trip. Had an amazing time with my family, amazing time with Bay. As you guys saw in the clips, did dinner at SDK, and then we did like the after spot exquisite in Hotel, I believe, which was a really, really fun time. Great music. Had a good time, you guys. So now it is back to New York City. I've actually got work tomorrow. Today is November 4th, Monday, November 4th. I have work on Tuesday, so no rest for the weary. This flight, you guys, is practically empty. I have a whole row by myself, and I have this row where there's like an immense amount of leg room. Hello. Look at my cock up, none of people in flight. I've got my feet wrapped in like 2 blankets. I'm hella comfortable in here. Yeah, I think this is as close to first class as I'll get in a while. I kid. I'll be there soon. Anyway, yeah, so this concludes the London trip. I have no idea when I'll be back in London. We shall see. guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed my family. And I will see you in the next vlog. Oh, by the way, to the folks that I did run into in London, because at the spot, Exquisite, where I told you guys I went for my birthday, I did run into 3 people who've actually watched my vlogs. I don't know if they're subscribers or if they're just transient viewers, but either way, they do watch the vlogs, and they did say hi. They did tell me that they enjoy the vlogs, so that was very, very nice. Hi guys. Why do I feel like I run into more people in London than I do in like America? Yeah, I definitely run into more subbies in London than I do in New York or the States. Let's say it's very weird. Like in one day, in one spot, I ran into 4 people actually. 4 people in one spot. Anyway, thank you guys for saying hello. Thank you for being so pleasant. And thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.